How to change number on which to receive text messages or Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Now tap on the gear icon that will lead you to settings and privacy. So scroll down over here, and as you scroll down you'll be able to see the option of profile details under audience and visibility. So tap on it. As you do that, you can just scroll down and here you can see the option of contact info. So you can just tap on add contact info, or you can just scroll down and let's check if we have any of the contact number option. So let's tap on the contact info, or rather you can just go back and then tap on your profile and simply tap on edit profile. Let's scroll down, tap on edit your about info, and it will lead you to the same page. So you can just tap on the icons over here. So let's tap on manage contact info, and here you just have a tap on the option of add new contact, and you can just add mobile number and you can change it accordingly. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.